This is how to send text messages without a cell phone plan. And this is using Wi-Fi, and it requires an Apple account or an Apple ID. So let's make sure you have an Apple account first. Let's open the settings. And at the very top of the main settings page, there's my name. If you're not signed in to an Apple account, this will show sign up for an Apple account or something like that. If it shows your name, then you are signed into an Apple account and you're ready to go. Or almost ready. There's one more setting we have to check. So if you see a sign up link here, click that link, follow the steps. There's a couple short forms to fill out. It's going to ask for a credit card that you don't have to enter. Just skip that part. It's totally free to create an Apple ID. And then once you have that set up, you will then have a new Apple account. And if you're making this for your kid's phone, you can create a new Apple account for your child really easily. I've created some for family sharing, and it's just super simple. It's this little plus icon up here. And you can add a family member. Just create a child account if you're setting this up for your kid. And so once you have that set up, then you go down to apps and tap on the M on the right hand side, or scroll down to get to the M section. Open the Messages app, scroll down a little bit, and make sure that iMessage is turned on. And make sure that you have something under the send and receive list. I have a cell phone number and 2 email addresses. So if this is for a child's phone, they don't have a cell phone plan, there clearly wouldn't be a cell phone number. It'd just be tied to their email address. And when you create an Apple ID, if you're creating one for your child, it automatically creates an iCloud email for them. And so that email will just be in here. So once those 2 things are set up, then you can go into your Messages app and you'll be able to send text messages with this phone via iMessage. That's the blue bubbles. So if I start typing here, I see a blue arrow, which is what you should be seeing, and then I tap on send and it sends a blue bubble. That means it's sent via iMessage, and it does not require a cell phone plan, but it does require a Wi-Fi connection. If you're communicating with someone with green bubbles, this isn't going to work. That requires a cell phone connection, I believe. I'm 99% sure that's true. But if it's changed and it works with people with green bubbles, that's great. But I don't think it does. Blue bubbles for sure. Blue bubbles means iMessage, and this definitely works over Wi-Fi. And now your child can have a device that isn't connected to a cell phone plan, but when they're on Wi-Fi, they can communicate with you, or you can have your own secondary device or whatever it is that you're setting up. This is the process to do it. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. It's probably something you've never done, but you should be doing it. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.